Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today I am giving you a question related with the trigonometry for class 11. That is, a triangle is given to us, the sides of which are A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 6. It means C is the biggest one. If this is 6 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. Okay? And this triangle, we have to prove that smallest, double of the smallest angle will be equal to the biggest one. What? Double of the smallest angle will be equal to the bigger one. This is the side 4, this angle will be A, will be smallest. This is side C, this angle will be, this is C, it means this point will be C, this is the biggest angle. And this will remain B, is 5. It means we have to prove double of the smallest, 2 times A. Angle A is equal to angle C. This is to be proved. Okay? How can we prove this? What we have to do? Think about this. What we will do? We will use a formula. Cos of A, that can be written in terms of the sides, is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Okay? Cos of A. This will be equal to B square. B is equal to what? This 25 plus C square. C is equal to 36 minus A square is equal to 16 upon 2 into BC. B is equal to 5 into C. 5 into 6. This will be equal to 61 minus 16 upon 16. Okay, that is 5. Okay, 45 upon 60 can be divided by 15. Okay, 3 is to 4 आ गया. 3 is to 4. Okay, this is cos A. Next cos C. Cos C निकालते हैं. Cos C will be equal to what? Cos C will be equal to A square plus B square minus C square upon 2 into A into B. That will be equal to A square is equal to 16 plus B square 25 minus C square 36 upon 2 into A is equal to 4 into 5. That is equal to 41 minus 36 upon 2 into 20, 40. That is equal to 5 upon 40 is equal to 1 upon 8. Okay? Okay. Now, this is cos C, this is cos A. The value of cos C is equal to 1 upon 8. Now let us find the value of cos of 2A. Cos of 2A, that can be written as 2 cos square A minus 1. Cos square is already given to us. This cos square A. This is equal to 3 by 4. It means it will be equal to 2. The value of this will be equal, otherwise not. It will be proved. 2 cos square A. Cos square is equal to 3 by 4 whole square minus 1. that is equal to 9 minus 1 upon 8. This will be 3 into 3 into 2 upon 16 minus 1. 8. 9 upon 8 minus 1. And this is equal to 1 upon 8. The value of this, look here, this is cos of 2a equal to 1 upon 8. This is cos of c equal to 1 upon 8. It means both are having operator cos. It means a will be equal to c. It means c is equal to 2 times a. Proved. Okay? This is cos of 2a is also equal to 1 by 8 and cos of c is also equal to 1 by 8. It means that smallest angle, twice of the smallest angle is equal to the largest one. Okay? This is to be proved. Hence proved. Okay? Thanks for watching my video. I am very thankful to you, and please remain touching with my channel, and don't forget to like and give me the subscribe and thumbs up. Okay, thank you. Good night.